Instructions. Alphabets are building blocks so need special attentions. Focus on child's pronunciations and identifications of dots on different letters. Have student read from left to right, top to bottom, and bottom to top. Moreover, have a practice on bold and light letters. Remember, if not taught properly, both the student and teacher will be in trouble. In later lessons, tap any character to learn. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alif, alif, ba, ba, ta, ta, sa, sa, jim, jim, ha, ha, kho, kho, dal, 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 ro, ro, za, za, sin, sin, shin, shin, sod, sod, zod, zod, ton, ton, zon, zon, ain, ain, ghain, ghain, fa, fa, qaf, qaf, kaf, kaf, lam, lam, mیم, mیم, نون، نون، واو، واو، ہا، ہا، حمزہ، حمزہ، چھوٹی یہ، چھوٹی یہ، بڑی یہ، بڑی یہ. So first lesson will be complete. آپ کو اچھا لگا ہوگا لیسن نمبر 1 and watching this video and subscribe my channel. السلام علیکم ورحمۃ اللہ.